back to RamaKidz educational video. So today we are going to learn the phonic sound of alphabet I. So are you all ready? So the first picture is I for India, India. So you can see the picture. This is our India. India is our country. We all live in India. The next picture is I for iguana, iguana. No, this is not a lizard. Iguana looks like a lizard, but it is not a lizard. Okay, it has long tail. The next word is I for igloo, igloo. Igloo is a house which is made up of ice blocks. Yes, do you know the Eskimos lives in this house. The next word is insect. I for insect, insect. There are many insects in the world. Some insects are very useful to us and some are very harmful to us. The next word is I for inkpot, inkpot. Inkpot is used to fill the ink in the ink pens. So today we have learned the phonic sound of alphabet I. Do you know what is the phonic sound of I now? Yes, repeat after me. The phonic sound of alphabet I is E. So in the next video, I will teach you about a new alphabet and its phonic sound. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.